Khaki green is day 28, and there was only one thing I could think of, and it was a terrible idea, and I regret everything. I just want everyone to know. So I have this coworker that I'm friends with at my job, and he owns a Jeep that is like exactly this color. And I thought to myself, well, I wanted to try and do things that are outside my comfort zone for this challenge, since, challenge and all. So I don't know, why not try drawing his Jeep? It went okay for day 2 when I drew the dump truck, and honestly I haven't done that many things that are really difficult or outside of my wheelhouse or anything, so maybe that'll be fun and I'll learn something. And yeah, there are a lot of reasons I gave myself to draw a geometric machine with lots of tiny details today. And guess what? They were all stupid reasons. I struggled for so long on this piece, and I still don't think it looks right. Part of the problem is that I needed a dark gray or something like that to color things in, like the bumper, and shade the wheels, and since I lacked the mid-tone gray, I had to resort to coloring in solid shadows black and hatching everything else to differing degrees. Which in other images has looked perfectly fine in the past. I'm not saying it hasn't, but I don't know, today I was just fighting it and getting irritated about it, and looking at it now while I'm editing, I don't super hate it, but it's not great either. Compared to how I used to draw vehicles whenever I felt brave enough to make an attempt, I think it's probably better. I don't know, I'm used to drawing organic things that have a threshold for error. It doesn't have to be perfect because things in nature rarely are, but man-made machines are all straight lines and perfect curves and angles, so if they are off even a little, your brain is very good at finding mistakes. Or at least mine is. Anyway, at the end of this one I added some grass since the color was green, and I added some shading behind the wheels so it didn't look like this thing was just floating nebulously in the air, and then I gave up. I feel like I've been struggling with and giving up on pictures for the past couple days, other than yesterday's image. Maybe because it's getting to be the end of the month and I'm getting tired of doing these daily pictures. Well, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna finish it, dang it. That's why khaki green is check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.